Hello students, I am Ankit Gupta and welcome you all again in online class of GK. In previous video we have read about PAN card, voter ID card, Aadhaar card and ration card. So today we are going to read about Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela and Mother Teresa. So do you know Abraham Lincoln was the president of which country? He was the president of United States of America. And second question is, Nelson Mandela was the president of which country? Okay, he was the president of South Africa. Abraham Lincoln. He was born February 12, 1809 and he was died 15 April 1865. He was the 16th President of the United States of America. He served as President for 5 years, from 4 March 1861 until his assassination by John Wilkes Booth on 15th of April 1865. It means he is assassinated by John Wilkes Booth on 15 April 1865. Assassination means a murder of public figure by surprise attack. Lincoln is known as primarily for his leadership during the American Civil War 1861 to 1865 and for the signing the Emancipation Proclamation, an executive order changing the legal status of slaves to free. Here written emancipation, which means to free or liberate, and one more word is there, proclamation, which means to announce. He was very largely self-educated. Despite becoming a successful lawyer, Lincoln didn't have a degree. His total schooling obtained from traveling teachers is estimated to total only around 1 year. Before pursuing national politics, Lincoln served 4 consecutive terms in the Illinois state legislature. Though lawyers are often considered untrustworthy, his reputation for honesty and fairness helped Honest Abe win local elections. Lincoln was a president of first. He was the first bearded US president, the first to hold a patent and the first to be in an inaugural photograph. John Wilkes Booth can also be seen in this photo standing on a balcony above. A photo of Lincoln's inauguration with the president and John Wilkes Booth highlighted. Lincoln's wife came from a wealthy slave-owning family. Lincoln married Mary Todd of Lexington, Kentucky on 4 November 1842. Several of her half-brothers died serving in the Confederate Army during the Civil War. Means Lincoln's wife's name was Mary Todd and she was from Lexington, Kentucky. Lincoln was not an abolitionist, which means a person who favors or supports the abolition of practice or institution, especially capital punishment or slavery. Lincoln was long allied with abolitionists and outlawed slavery by issuing the Emancipation Proclamation on 1 January 1863, legally free some 3 million slaves. However, in first inaugural address, Lincoln stated that he had no lawful right to interfere with the institution of slavery in the states where it exists. His main purpose in the Civil War was to preserve the Union. There were abolitionists, slavery supporters, pro-unionists, and neutral sentiments in both the North and South, but it was Confederate secessionists who began the war, firing on Fort Sumter on 12 April 1861. Lincoln responded by sending troops to recapture lost forts and preserve the Union from Oliver Cromwell to Robin Koch, from Ellen Wilkins to Margaret Thatcher, from Edmund Burke to Winston Churchill. Dan Snow looks back at some of the greatest speeches ever made at Westminster. The bill to create a US Secret Service was on the president's desk the night of his assassination. One of the principal purposes of the Secret Service is to protect national leaders such as the president. It is possible that their presence would have saved Lincoln's life. During his assassination, Lincoln's bodyguard was absent. The president's security, John Parker, left his post to watch the play at Washington, D.C. Ford's Theater and went to the saloon next door during intermission. It was the same place that John Wilkes Booth was drinking. No one knows where Parker was when Lincoln was killed. The brother of John Wilkes Booth saved Lincoln's son. Not long before the president was assassinated, Edwin Booth, a famous actor at the time, pulled Robert Lincoln to safety at a train station after he had fallen on the tracks. It was just a train was about to leave the station. Lincoln is consistently ranked as one of the top 3 presidents of the United States. Along with George Washington and Franklin D. Roosevelt, most polls of academic historians, political scientists, and the general public put Lincoln as one of the third all-time greats. Painting of the Signing of Emancipation Proclamation by Francis Bicknell Carpenter, currently hanging in the White House. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was the president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the first black president of the South Africa and the first president to be elected in a fully representative election. Nelson Mandela's government focused on destroying the apartheid government in the country, which had focused on racial segregation enforced by the law. In school, Mandela studied law and became one of South Africa's first black lawyers. In the 1950s, he was elected leader of the youth wing of African National Congress (ANC) Liberation Movement. When the government prohibited the ANC for racial reasons, Mandela organized a secret military movement. He had previously been involved in a peaceful protest, but when they were met with violence from the government, he went on to support an armed movement. Mandela was imprisoned from 1962 to 1990 for treason and conspiracy against the government. He was sentenced to life in prison but was released early when the ANC became legal again. Treason means the action of betraying, or we can say in easily way we can say cheating someone or something. And conspiracy means secret plan or agreement between people for unlawful or harmful purpose. While he was in prison, Mandela was a symbol to rally behind for the oppressed in South Africa who were fighting for rights. Mandela is considered the father of modern South Africa. He was instrumental in tearing down the oppressive government and installing democracy. Mandela received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 for peacefully destroying the apartheid regime and laying the foundation for democracy. In addition to the Nobel Peace Prize, he won over 250 other awards. After retirement from politics, Mandela started the Nelson Mandela Foundation that focused on combating HIV or AIDS and supported rural development and school construction. In 2009, the United Nations proclaimed Mandela's birthday, July 18, to be Nelson Mandela International Day. The holiday asked people to spend 60 7 minutes doing something good for others, which represents the 67 years he spent working toward change. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born in Macedonia in 1910. Her real name is Anzes Gongse Bojakshihu. She came to India in 1929. She is famous as Saint Teresa of Calcutta. She teaches in St. Mary's High School, Kolkata for many years. Next point is she set up a missionary of charity in Kolkata. Next point is Nirmal Hriday Home for Destitute. Destitute is a word which means poor people. Next point is she won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1979 for her work. In 1980, she was awarded highest civilian award Bharat Ratna. Next point is Pope Francis canonized Mother Teresa as a ceremony on 4th September 2016 in Vatican City. And finally, she left this world in the year 1997.